Sir Vishveshwaraya's successful projects are design and construction of K.R. Sagara Dam over the river of Kaveri, which created the largest reservoir in Asia at that time. The Sandalwood Oil Factory and the Bank of Mysore were also his creations. He was the chief designer of the flood protection system designed and built for the city of Hyderabad.
He is a marvel in harnessing water resources. He was responsible for successful design and construction of several rivers, bridges and implementation of irrigation and drinking water schemes in India. He served as the Dewan of Mysore state and was considered to be the architect of all-round development of Karnataka.
Try to convert this college into an engineering college, which should be totally different from an arts college. In an arts college, there are classrooms, there are laboratories, there are staff rooms, there are principals and other rooms. But engineering college should be different. Yes, it should be full of ideas. It should be full of the results, outcomes of those ideas. So that is the kind of environment you have to create in an engineering college. I am giving you a few examples of that kind. Suppose we are using more than 500 tons of air conditioning. 500 tons of air conditioning. But we have not displayed even one prototype of air condition in any of our rooms. This is built by the electrical department of third year, so and so, something like that. And our campus is a big campus. Some of the handicapped students are handicapped or aged visitors are suffering to move out the campus. By this time you might have built a solar battery automobile car move around the campus, which should be labeled by the automobile engineering department and mechanical engineering department, something like that.
Sir, what's going to Vishwesvaraya, who has a character, dedication, punctuality, intelligence, commitment, above all the patriotism of this great country. So I request all of you to keep him as your role model, because he is the pioneer in the field of engineering. As our young friends narrated about him, he has designed and he was standing all the way for many projects. So you know that Hyderabad people are living peacefully today means because of the easy design.
You all know this is a day to honor the birthday of a legendary Mokshagundam Vishwesvaraya. He contributed a lot to the society towards building bridges, dams, so many water projects.
Here I would like to quote one of the famous quote given by the engineers. Engineering is the professional art of applying science to the optimum conversion of natural resources to the benefit of humankind. So as you are all the engineers, so you have to gear up for this part. So I would like to give one of the example as a person of Vishweshwar Garu. See, he is not an easy man. He maintains punctuality, perfect clothing, perfections, fitness, dedication to the work, courageous, fearless patriot.
In fact, I was going through the life of Sir Vishwesvaraya Garu, a man who was lived for 102 years, born in 1860 and lived till 1962. 102 years, the secret of his health was he's followed 3 principles, which I would like the students of Vigyan to scrupulously follow, in addition to the qualities which the principal of College of Pharmacy has brought. STD, sincerity, time management, dedication and devotion.
It's a great tribute to the entire engineering community to recall the life and contribution of Dr. Vishwesvaraya Garu. Several speakers have spoken about the great qualities of Dr. Vishwesvaraya Garu. I would like to request all of you to pay a little bit of thought to his virtues and values. At a time, even those days, during his lifetime, during those days, going for a patent, registering a patent of one's own idea, inventions and discoveries was a norm. Even against that norm, he has chosen not to claim any patent and share his knowledge, his inventions and discoveries with the larger society at large for the benefit of the mankind.
You will have, if you want to do some huge projects or something like that, yes, you might have problems with the banks, or you might have problems with the red tape, government and all those things. But as it is, you can create these sort of disruptive technologies sitting at your rooms. No one's stopping you now. It's so easy. You can spend with your friends like 4 or 5 of you can spend for like 30-40 days and you can come up with the app. But for that, you have to look, first thing is you have to look for the problems. What is happening around us, what we are experiencing. And next of all the dignitaries on the dais has explained to you what dedication and what commitment Vishwesvaraya Garu has. So maybe if we can get at least 2 or 3 of that in our head, yeah, no one's going to stop us. He has lived for almost 1 or 2 years, and as I read about him, until the late 90s, he has been working almost 17 or 18 hours a day. Yes, he was working for 17 or 18 hours a day, a 90-year-old man. I'm sure we are not working for sure. we get a little drowsy after 7 or 8 hours of workload. But yeah, he was working when he was 90 years old for almost 17 hours a day. That's the sort of commitment he has, and that too he was working not on the computer sitting in the air-conditioned room, but he was working on the projects, building the dams and all sort of things without a shade on his head. So that sort of dedication he had. I hope, my dear friends, we get 1 or 2 qualities of his, and I hope 1 or 2 of you here can get the message sent across by our Prime Minister recently and create some sort of wealth, because we are moving away, India as a whole is moving away from service economy to manufacturing and product-driven economy. No more. I'm sure you'll get a lot of jobs in service sector, but you'll get much more opportunities in the manufacturing and product sector. So I hope you'll get that message, and I hope 1 or 2 of you can create some sort of wealth for this country. Thank you.
Vigyan University confers the Vignan's Award of Best Engineer for the year 2014 to Dr. J. Sai Baba on the occasion of Engineers Day, celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of
Bharat Ratna Sri Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Dr. J. Sai Baba is recognized for his contribution to the field of scientific research in the area of satellite data analysis and applications. Dr. Baba, who is currently working as a Deputy Director SDA and A, EDRIN became instrumental in starting the Geospatial Information Systems GIS activity at EDRIN, contributing to its promotion among the strategic users community.
Visvesvaraya is the greatest engineer of all the times. With his vision and dedication to the field of engineering, he made some exceptional and outstanding contributions such as harnessing water resources, design and construction of several dams, bridges and implementing many irrigation and drinking water schemes all over India.
Aware that on the eve of Engineers Day, many technical events were conducted, and now it's time to honor them with rewards.
Before rolling out the names, let's invite our chief guest of the day, Dr. J. Sai Baba, to step forward to give away the prizes. Vikram Kumar of Pavarna Engineering College.
The second prize goes to Mohbal Ruby.
S. Shenmo of PVT Sikara and U. Tejasvi of Prithvi Vigyan Sara Institute of Science and Technology. Please put your signature on the right side of the stage.
Third batch and second position.
Let's go on to the next category. Technical Project Manipatra and G. Govichand of OCSC Vigyan Sara
University.
For such an event to be successful, we need support and coordination of all the staff, supporting staff, faculty to a senior professor for the event to run on perfect schedule. Technical events, technical PPT and poster presentation, ECE, technical project exhibition conducted by Chemical Department, technical quiz conducted by Mechanical Department, programming contest conducted by CSC and IT Department, wealth out of waste conducted by Science and Humanities Department. Take pride to thank Dr. J. Sai Baba Garu, the guest of the honor, for his gracious presence on the eve of Engineers Day.